M.O.P. Next of Kin, the takeover.
Nothing sweet pass say your ex no make am o. You know the joy say you book taxify na your ex be driver. Say, madam, where are you going to? Take me around the world. Those of una where don't marry, where they cheat on a wife, they pray for Johnny Mercy. Oh. You know what it means? Say you don't like it, your wife say they go Abuja for conference meeting. Your wife follow you reach airport, follow you enter body line, flight 4828. Now you board. As you enter, now your wife tell you say save journey. As your wife go, as you dodge come off for airport, go hotel, carry a shower. As your wife just enter, now you announce for news say flight 48280 die, crash, everybody die. Now they don't upload your picture for WhatsApp say it was a good man, you the view. How you want to convince your wife say you not die? If you want clap, you clap for this country, don't get it. Listen to me. The worst thing that can happen to you now when snake run enter your room. You see the snake, you call all stick run follow the snake. You call use your hand lock door through a key. As you raise stick to kiss snake, nine particular light. Who go kill you? My guy, life too sweet to see. I hate the fact that some people gonna say girls love money. No. Women are product of good money. All the ladies say, if you know you love money and you're a product of good money, clap for yourself. Come on. I am from the ancient city of Benin, and I don't know if my people are here. About talk, but hey, those are my people. You cannot break a Benin guest heart and go free. Listen. If you are a player, listen to me. Listen. You can break Lagos get heart, you go commit suicide. Break Port Harcourt get heart, you go say, I can't be fight your battle. Ishage. Yes, how ye? They know they break Ishage heart. As you break your heart, you go say, iri or no, you go. 2 o'clock for night, no light, fan the tongue. Now you go, how much you see Bella? Mary Wohu. The beauty of this life is after all this stress, what with the stress? Everybody will still go and fire. Who be some? Hey, you cannot be a citizen of this country and make every special. Fire go sweet, eh? Do you know the beauty of fire? Oh, you don't understand. Listen, no, not get enjoyment. Oh. For fire now, M.O.P go do this show, Next of Kin, fire evasion. Think. Listen, the only enjoyment where they ever only communal and now once a year, every Friday, 4th Friday of the month. Once a year. But fire. See, the beauty of fire alcohol are free. You get it right? A shower free, a shower. They know they pay. As you die, bah! You dey entitled to 3. All those surgery when you see, listen, heaven, as you die, matter your heaven be. As you die now, make heaven, bah! First, your Brazilian before go disappear. Those of you who do bumps and ladder, it go flat. Hip go met. You just wear white jalabia so that you know if he seduce angel. You think of it? Then fire. You know what it means as this usher just walk out naked. For fire, everybody naked. You can't go jump get where you gist for 8 when no agree. John Nick say Jesse cannot be here. They see so. Benny, thank you. My name is Yannist. God bless you.
M.O.P. Next of Kin.